Hey everybody, Cozy Acre. Walking through the gates here. Got a lot of changes coming. Hadn't posted a video in quite a while. Felt like it was a good day. You notice here that this is going to be our entrance. This will be the road to come in on. If you look over here to the left, you'll see all our power poles, our distribution centers. We got 18 hookups on this side. And then everything will look similar to this. You'll have, this will be the main road, and then here to my right, there'll be a spot for a trailer. And then like right here, of course, it's, I know it doesn't seem like much, but Jesus, it's huge. We've got our stick-up power. We've got our water spigot. We've got our sewer clean, or our runs. It's all good. It's 18 of those on this side. As I walk along here, this will be the road to come in on. So this is the entrance. It's going to go to the very back there where you can't see my truck, but that's the turnaround. So we'll have our barbecue. We've got a gigantic smoker that we'll have in place. And so as you can see, we've got all these big shaded areas where you can park your trailer, back it right up next to the creek, wander in. And then continuing back here, we've got our going towards our low water crossing to the backside. And we've made quite a few changes to the plans of the backside now. You know, we were going to do a car wash back there and maybe a laundromat. We're not really sure. We've now plumbed everything on the front side on College Street for the laundromat. Reason being, back here on this back side, you can see you'd still come around here through these trees if you were driving, and then you would come around to this back side and looking across our low water crossing. It's kind of, I know it's hard to imagine, it's not finished yet, but as I wander through here, we're getting close. As far as the low water crossing, I think we're a month away. The electricity, I mean, we really think it's going to be done any day. Gosh, if we could get it done, it'd be incredible. This low water crossing will be done the same time. And as you come back here, as we jump across the creek here, this was going to be phase 2. Now we've made quite a few changes. Originally, this was going to be parking for 12 more trailers, but we've had an issue now. Not an issue, but we've had a moral compass issue. We've got this majestic pecan, this gigantic cottonwood. The only place to put our leach field is right where I'm standing. We don't want to do that. We've talked to many experts and they all agree leach field down here will make it detrimental for these trees if it doesn't kill them. So we're not going to do that. So now we've changed our minds. This is going to stay as a gathering area. Be one of those galvanized silos. We'll have water over here. We'll have a, you know, probably a paved stone area where they can sit. And then right up here, which is originally going to be my car wash, that now is going to be our taco shop. So we'll have a couple of 40-foot containers. We'll have them modified to be mini restaurants. And we will make this, as you can see, I've got it swept off and cleaned today. Mowed everything yesterday, although it was brutally hot. It had to be done. This right here will be the spot for our containers, which will be taco shops. Have an elevated raised area on top where you can sit. This area is always shaded in the evenings, so it'll be really awesome. Little parking here. We own this road that comes in here, so there will be an area for you to drive in, park. We'll have paved stones down. It won't resemble what it is right now by any stretch, but the view here looking back I think will be awesome. One of our electricians is a food truck owner. He owns a Cajun food truck, jambalaya, gumbo, things like that. So he's going to be active in parking his food truck out here on certain days. It'll be a calendar situation. Over here is our power pole that they got set now. So that's going to be where our incoming power comes in. And then when you leave here, you go right back across the low water crossing if that's what you choose to do, or you can come in on the other street, park down here, hang out, have a cold beverage of any kind that you choose. So anyway, that's kind of the latest. I know we haven't posted in a while, but it was time. So as you can see, yesterday was super excited. It was closure to the highest level. What that is that's the old burn hole. That burn hole got us through a lot of stuff out here, saved us a lot of going to the dumpsters, and it's now gone. So closed it up yesterday. Obviously there's no burning out here, they're saying until September, but seeing it gone, I'll smooth it out when we get a little rain and close that chapter. You can see all the way back there to the very back too of the property. We've got plans for that area. I don't really want to divulge them yet. They're still in the scheduling phase and don't want to give out any information that we have to later say, that was a bad plan. So, but anyway, of course, these big majestic trees. Now from here, if you can see across the stop sign, that's our low water crossing. That's the main entrance. So we're ready. We're close. Over here, you know, like I said, when you go back across the creek, you can see the 18 power stands, spigots, clean outs. Of course, those will have road base on them here shortly. As far as that goes, I'm going to put road base down about 1 inch or 2, maybe 2 inches thick, and then put some concrete barriers in for the road, and they'll be covered with crushed granite. So it'll have a nice multicolor look. Be quiet, easy to walk on if you're barefooted. Pet friendly, which is another thing. You know, that's a big deal out here. Everything's got to be pet friendly. So as I go through the massive plants here, see, and then like I said, here you've got, this will be part of the road coming in, and then as you look straight ahead towards my distribution panel, and then left towards the other distribution panel, I think you can see the big power poles that they finally got put in, our big transformers. That area there that's kind of no dirt on it, no grass on it, just dirt, very dusty dirt. Of course, that's our dog park. That will be fenced in. We'll have a dog park there. Laundromat will be up here to the right, so you can do your laundry, hang out at the dog park. This will also be our community garden. So from about where I'm standing, going to the street, this is our part of our leach field, only a small part. But up here on the rise, this will be the back side of our dog park. I'll have it probably with some kind of timbers, cross timbers, so it'll look good. And then you can see up here the angled pipe coming up. That is for the laundromat, and the laundromat will be up here to my right, kind of up there where that red power flag is. And then back here to a little bit to the more right, you can see that stick up there. That's going to be the restroom. It's in the laundromat. Just up on the hill, you can see a pipe sticking up at an angle. That, of course, is the power, or no, I'm sorry, water distribution. Supposed to be here this week, we hope, with a meter. Get that done, we'll have meter, water, electric, sewer, and all we need is somebody to get a trailer and come out here. Somebody to come out and move in. Like I said earlier, these are our power distribution panels. We have 3 distribution panels, 6 each. So we got sparking spots for 18. And anyway, that's your video. I think that covers it all where we're at this week. Still got some work to do, but I'm telling you, we were enjoying a Gatorade earlier and sitting on the bed of the truck thinking,